A bad friend is like a shadow on sunny day, run, you won't run away. On a cloudy day, look it, you won't find it. I can tablet the motion of heavenly bodies but not the madness of people. Nature is pleased with simplicity. And nature is no dummy. What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Tact is the knack of making a point without making an enemy. Gravity explains the motion of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. No great discovery was ever bad without a bold guess. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. If I have made any valuable discoveries, it has been due more to patient attention than to any other talent. What goes up must come down. And to every action there is always an contrary reaction. He who thinks half-heartedly will not believe in God, but he who really thinks has to believe in God. Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. You have to make the rules, not follow them. To myself I am only a child playing on the beach, while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered before me. To explain all nature is too difficult a task for any one man or even any one age. Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my greatest friend is truth. Yet one thing secures us whatever betide, the scriptures assure us that the Lord will provide. In the absence of any other proof, the thumb alone would convince of God's existence.